Welcome to Minexa.ai, where scraping international grant and funding opportunities from grants.gov is fast and effortless. Transforming complex pages into structured data takes just a few clicks or a single API call. Navigate to the grants.gov page you want to scrape. Minexa.ai automatically detects the right data structure to get you started quickly. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to begin. It reads the current page automatically, so no manual setup is needed. Click the violet button labeled Yes, I'm on the right page. This lets Minexa.ai analyze the entire page and detect the list of grant funding opportunities. Minexa.ai automatically detects pagination on this page and collects all grant listings across multiple pages without extra setup. Now, decide if you want to scrape only the fields shown in the grant list or include full details from each grants page. Click Continue for simple pages. Switch to advanced mode if you need to handle dropdowns, tabs, or buttons before data appears. Minexa.ai highlights the detected HTML container that holds all grant opportunities, ready for you to confirm. All fields related to grant funding opportunities are detected and structured, including titles, deadlines, agency names, and links. You can select exactly what you need or include everything. Developers can click the API request button to get ready to use Python code that handles proxies, JavaScript rendering, and retries for this site. Validate and complete your scraper configuration. This prepares everything for your scraping job to run smoothly at any scale. Minexa.ai detected the next page button automatically. If no pagination is needed, you can simply continue to the next step. Validate your scraping job setup here. If you want recurring updates, you can set daily or weekly schedules directly on this page. The last step is to click Run. Minexa.ai starts extracting all grant listings immediately, applying trained rules without reanalysis, ensuring accuracy and no silent errors. Each row in your dataset is a verified grant opportunity with fields like grant title, agency, deadline, funding amount, and application links. If a page differs, Minexa.ai returns an error instead of mixing incorrect data, ensuring your dataset stays reliable and clean. Download your dataset easily. Choose JSON to keep nested data intact, or Excel for a simple column-based view ready for analysis. Start with Minexa.ai today and turn any website into an automatically updating dataset. No manual reruns or setups needed, just continuous, reliable data extraction.